Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Flegner, and today I'm going to show you how to use Book Creator on the computer. Now, Book Creator is also available on an iPad, but I figured I would just show everybody how to use it on the computer, and then if you have any questions or issues with the iPad app, you can always reach out to me. So once you go to the website bookcreator.com, see like I did over here, you should see this screen when you come up. So you are going to log in with Clever, the same way that you would log into RazKids, anything like that. You're just going to log in that way. So right now I am logged in as Miss Flegner. And if you look over here, you can see that because when I click on the little icon, it says Miss Flegner. Right now, I'm looking at everyone's books in our library. So this is our whole class library. So if you look down here, you see we have Cole, we have Patrick. Everybody from our class has their own book in our library. Over here is my biography report about Michelle Obama. That's who I chose for my biography. So today, I'm just going to show you how you can add a photograph to our biography because remember, we're writing a nonfiction story. Nonfiction stories have photographs, timelines, things like that. So we're just going to focus today on how we can add a photograph to the cover of our book. So you'll see when you hover over your book, this little blue circle with a blue pencil on the inside comes up. You're just going to click that, and that's how you can edit your work on here. So right now I just have my biography report, Michelle Obama by Miss Flegner. We're not going to work on changing the font today. We're not going to work on changing the background or anything like that. The only job you have today is to add a photograph to the cover of your story. So here's what you're going to do. You have a couple of options over here. And the first one is a plus sign. And if you hover, see it says add an item. So you're going to click on add an item, and from here you can add a couple of different things, but we're just going to click today on import. Once we click on import, there's a couple of different ways that you can add things to your biography. The easiest way to do it is to just do a quick Google image search. So I'm going to look for Michelle Obama. And when you click the search, all of these great pictures of her are going to come up. And some of these are nice, but I want one with her whole family. So I'm going to scroll down until I find one with her family. And I really like this one. So once you find one that you like, you're going to click it. And it's going to go right into your book. Now, once it's in your story, you can change the size of it. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can move it to the top, to the bottom. I'm going to make it a little bigger because I want it to look really exciting because it's the cover of my book. And once you're done, it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what this is going to look like when you log in as a student. So just for an example, I logged in as Michael. I know that I'm Michael because I have his name over here in my little person in the corner. So when you log in, you're now going to see Miss Flegner's biography, and you're also going to see yours next to it. Notice when you click on my biography that you cannot edit. You can only press this button to play it and to read what I have so far. That's it. So the only thing that you're going to edit is your own writing. So I'm going to go back to my books and I'm going to click over here, my biography report by Michael Lagudi. So Michael's not doing Michelle Obama. Michael is doing Martin Luther King. So I'm going to click edit and I'm going to write Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, so now Michael's got his cover. He has his name down here. So again, you're going to click the plus sign and you're going to go to import and you're going to look for your person, Martin Luther King Jr., search. Find a picture that you like. You can look through, there's many pictures to choose from, and then you're going to click it, press select, and there it is. So your job today, again, is just to add the photograph to the cover of your book. Happy writing!